Okay, for today's writing, we have to write what happened last in our story. So name on my paper, because you might get it confused with somebody else at your house. Okay. Yeah, I might have somebody else here trying to write a paper too. Okay, so last, let me show you. First, I took my dirty dishes to the sink. Next, I washed my dishes. And last, I dried my dishes. So, last, capital L, U, A, S, T. And now I'm going to write my comma like I showed you yesterday. There's my comma. Last, I need a finger space. I dried, I, and then an ED, finger space, my, don't have room here, dishes, and I've been writing dishes a lot this week, so I know how to spell that. Last, I dried my dishes. Now I could just put a period and that would be it. That would be okay. But I'm going to add some more detail because I want my story to be good or better. Last, I dried my dishes. I'm going to tell what I dried it with. With, that is a sight word. A. And what did I tell you on Monday? What did I tell you that I dried it with? Maybe I could use paper towels because I'm trying to be really nice and healthy and keep things clean. But I used a towel. Remember what I told you, that I used a towel that had apples on it. Yes. So I might have room here, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my new line to write towel. Period. Last, I dried my dishes with a towel. Okay, and the important thing, my words, I know how to spell them. That's part of why I'm a teacher. No, I don't know how to spell everything. I sometimes have to look things up, or ask someone. But you're learning, and remember, I ask you to sound out your words and try your best. If you don't get it perfect, it's okay. So tomorrow for writing, we get to share it on a Flipgrid. And last week, I absolutely loved seeing your stories and seeing your sweet faces as you shared your stories with us. So let's keep doing that because that was so much fun. And again, I will draw my picture. I want to show you I did draw my picture from yesterday. There's my sink with the water and then the soap in it. Actually, I'm going to draw some bubbles in there because I like lots of bubbles. Okay,